Hey guys, welcome back. I am Chris and this is my lovely wife Jo. This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it.
Amen.
Hey Jo, what are you making today?
Today I'm excited to share a recipe that's staple in many households, especially on Sunday. It's mutton curry. The best part is it's quick and easy to make.
Exactly. It's traditional but packed with flavor.
That's right. Come, let's get started. For a quick and delicious mutton curry, I'm just going to fry these onions. These are 4 onions I have sliced roughly. You don't have to slice it very thin and all that because I'm going to grind this later on. And here I've got 3 green chilies roughly chopped. So I'm going to fry them till they are translucent. So let's put this pan on the stove and pour about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil get hot, then we'll fry the onions. So first I'm dropping the chilies. Okay, let's add the onions also. Fry it till translucent. Now the onions are translucent. We'll turn off the stove and we'll allow it to cool and then grind this to a smooth paste without adding water. Let's turn on the stove. Today I'm going to use ghee. So let me add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Maybe one more, 3 tablespoons I'll add. Let the ghee get hot. I think our ghee is hot. Here I've got a stick of cinnamon and some cloves. Let me add ginger garlic paste. With that I'm adding the onion paste. Let's fry it together. The onion which we ground earlier, the fried onions. Let's fry this together till the raw smell of ginger garlic disappears. This is a very easy recipe. It's very fast. Only I'm not using the pressure cooker. But if you use the pressure cooker, it will be done in minutes. But even to do in the pressure cooker, you first will have to do all the frying and all that. Of course, you can fry all this in the pressure cooker itself. Since I am not going to use the pressure cooker, I am frying it in this pot. Okay. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of fennel powder. I'll reduce the flame here. 1 teaspoon of fennel powder. Fry it. Okay. Now let's add half a teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric powder. Okay. Here I've got 1 teaspoon of chili powder, spicy chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Mix everything. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out on anything. Let the masala get fried a bit. Now I'm going to add the mutton. Here I've got half kg, that is 500 grams of mutton. So I'm just going to add that into the masalas. Let's mix everything together. Add some salt also. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. So fry this I'm not using any garam masala powder and all that. It's very few spices only. So, yeah. This you can eat it with the rice and chapatis and all that. It will have a thick gravy. And if you want it to be thin, you can add more water. Let's fry the masala and all that nicely. Okay, I'm going to add some water. Just water enough for the mutton to be cooked. I think this should do. I think maybe it's about 1.5 cups of water I have used, more or less. Now let's add tomatoes. Here I've got 3 tomatoes chopped. I'm just going to add that. And here I've got 4 potatoes cut into quarters, peeled and then cut into quarters. So just mix everything together. At this time, if you are using a pressure cooker, now you can put the pressure cooker lid. That is, you could have done all this in the pressure cooker. So the pressure cooker, now you can put the lid with the whistle and put it on high. And when you get the first whistle, then reduce the flame to low and cook for 15 minutes in a pressure cooker. Then your mutton curry will be ready. Since I am not using pressure cooker, I'll wait for this gravy to get a boil first, and then I'll cover and cook for 40 to 45 minutes to 1 hour, because without the pressure cooker it takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. It tastes better when we cook like this. Pressure cooker is only when you don't have time, then you use pressure cooker for mutton. Otherwise, my mother-in-law, my mom, they never use pressure cooker for cooking mutton and chicken and all that. So that's why I'm not going to use it. Tastes better this way. But pressure cooker also is good. That is when you don't have time. So let it come to a boil. Then I'm going to cover and cook. I'll reduce the flame once it starts boiling. Our gravy has come to a boil. Let's reduce the flame to low and cover and cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour till the mutton is soft and tender. Our mutton has been cooking for 1 hour. Let's check. The oil has come on top. Let's check the mutton. Wow.
Smells so good.
Let me check the mutton. It's very hot. See ya. Our mutton is tender. It's cooked. So I'll turn off the stove. Turn it off. Looks so yummy. Come, Chris, let's give this a taste.
Smells so divine.
Yeah.
Wow, can't wait to taste it. The meat is so tender and it's packed with flavor. Too good, Joe.
I'm so glad I could share this recipe with you all. It's truly something very special.
Truly outstanding.
It's just like how our moms used to make. So perfect. You all must try this recipe.
Yes, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. This is Chris and Joe signing off. See you all next time.
Happy cooking.